Now I will say with 25 Home, they have some amazing furniture pieces. They also have super fast shipping, which I love, and the quality of their furniture is awesome, okay? It is awesome. But some of the things that they have sofas, they have beds, sectionals, accent chairs, TV stands, dining tables and chairs, coffee tables, sideboards, and nightstands. They have almost everything here. And when I tell you that I love their stuff, I really do. I love how modern it is, how different it is. You're not going to see these pieces in everybody's home. And again, I'm all for the quality of it. The furniture was really easy to assemble and set up. Again, we just popped it out the box. As you can see, it has like a latch look or a latch on it. So you just attach the latch, the furniture will come together, and you flip it over. The feet were already attached to the furniture. Everything was there. The cushions, all you had to do was move those out the way. But yeah, all you have to do is attach the little clip at the bottom. There's 2 clips and you just set it up. And it does not move, which I love. It doesn't move. So we just attached it, we set it up, it was good to go. And like I said, all the cushions are removable. You can clean it. It's such good quality, guys. I even like the bottom of it, because I know my cats like to scratch the bottom of the furniture, but with this, it's like a net, so they're not scratching. And on top of that, the furniture is so low to the ground, they can't even get under the furniture. That is another win. That's another win. The name of the couch and love seat is called the Aalto Boutique Light Gray Plume Love Seat and Ottoman. It is, again, a light gray color. You have the 3-seater, which is an 88-inch, plus the ottoman, and then they also have the 4-seater, which is 103 inches long. I absolutely love this. It's super easy to clean, guys. Oh my gosh. It is so durable. I'm loving it. I am loving everything about this. You can take the cushions off and wash it. It's so comfortable. The kids absolutely love sitting on this furniture and laying on the furniture. It's durable, easy to clean. I love that I can remove everything, clean it up really quickly. It did come with pillows. As you can see, you can remove them, put them in the wash. And I don't know, it's just so modern. That's another thing that I really like about the furniture. It's modern and it's comfortable. And I have not had a sofa and love seat in a while. I've had the sectional, so it's nice to be able to have the space really open and airy and everybody nice and comfortable. They can sit around, we can sit around and talk. And again, when you have kids and pets and just a large family, it's nice to be able to remove the cushions, clean them really quickly, put them back on, and still have that good quality furniture set.